The census of India 2011 has put the country's population at 121 crores. Waste generation has witnessed an increasing trend parallel to the industrialization, urbanization and rapid growth in population. And managing it is a big challenge for the present-day administration in municipal corporations, cities, small towns and villages. The state and central governments have formulated many schemes and programs to address the problem of solid and liquid waste generated. Even after these efforts, the problem continues and most villages and small towns in India continue to be plagued with poor sanitation facilities. The problem is more acute in villages as they lack the financial resources and systems to address the issue. In rural areas, the approach of total sanitation campaign has been to construct toilets and to collect waste from the households and dump it in open spaces and in the periphery of the villages. In this backdrop, the initiative taken by one village to develop a zero waste management system to use waste as resource stands out.
What we believe is that sanitation is beyond toilets. It is how you manage the waste which is being generated in the villages. Initially, when we called this project, we named it as solid liquid waste management. But later on we realized that this waste is actually a resource for people. And now we have changed the name of the project to solid liquid resource management.
The SLRM project is being implemented in Valod village through the coordinated efforts of the Zilla Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, Gram Panchayat and District Rural Development Agency TAP. Every morning, 5 teams, each consisting of 2 women and 1 man, leave the project site with tricycles to collect the waste. The village has been divided into 5 routes. Whether it is residential or commercial area, on hearing the bell, people come out with 2 dustbins and hand over the waste.
પહેલા વખતે કે કચરા હતો તો બધા બહાર નાખતા હતા કે નદી પર દૂર લગીને અમારે જવું પડતું હતું. પણ અત્યારે જ્યાંથી આ ચાલુ કર્યું સરકારે અહીંયા કે તો પછી દરરોજના કચરા 2 ડબ્બા આપે છે. પહેલી સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં 2 ડબ્બા આપેલા, એમાં કાણા પાણીના આપેલા, એટલે કોઈ પાણી નહીં ભરે, પાણીનો ઉપયોગ નહીં કરે.
The tricycles have 2 compartments. The waste from the green bucket is put in the green compartment and that from the red bucket into the red compartment. The cow urine is used to prepare Panchagavya, which is an organic pesticide and used by the farmers in the village. The excess organic waste generated in the village is used to produce electricity, which will be used for community purpose. Thus, Valod village is moving towards zero waste management. To create a conducive work environment for women of Sakhi Mandal, facilities like improved road access, toilet, water connection, canteen and Panchavati garden have been provided specifically for this project. Women collect the garbage from the house, men pull the tricycle. Older women stay back at the work site and clean the site, fill water, segregate paper and cardboard according to size and get the workplace ready for further processing. The Sakhi Mandal has been trained to repair and maintain the beds, shed and the tricycles. The members of SLRM project are provided uniform, shoes, gloves and mask for safety. They are also given tetanus toxoid and undergo regular medical checkup. Work site being near the house allows us to look after our children and family. Reduced migration helped the women economically and made them self-reliant. The community appreciates the project, which has been functioning for 1 year without any break or holiday. Sakhi Mandal constructed toilets and started using them. This became a role model for the village and the message has spread. In a short span of 1 year, the morbidity rate in this village has come down. Compared to the previous year, the number of reported cases of malaria has reduced by 60 to 70%. There was no case of dengue. The Gram Panchayat used to spend rupees 46,000 per month for providing garbage collection service. Now, the SLRM project provides this service. A monthly charge of rupees 20 per household, rupees 60 for a small shop, rupees 150 for markets, large shop, cottage industry and hotels. A detailed system has also been developed for marketing of organic and inorganic waste material. An MOU has been signed between the Forest Department and Gram SLRM Committee for sale of compost at market rates. The sanitation tax, sale of compost and other products enables the Gram Panchayat to earn a monthly income of rupees 64,250. The expenses amount to rupees 62,200. The project is able to cover the cost and leave a positive balance. Systems have been developed for efficient and smooth functioning of the project. Attendance register, garbage weighing register, manure register, stock register, daily report register, cash book and visitors book have been developed and maintained for the project. Job charts have also been developed for the project.
The project was initiated by our department, but later on this project became the project of people. They took the ownership, they took the responsibility of management, and whatever revenues are being earned in this project, they are being distributed between the Sakhi Mandal and Gram Panchayat. When we solved the first produce of this compost, we organized a big program at the village, and when they saw that their kitchen waste is being converted into compost and is being sold, and these Sakhi Mandals are earning revenues out of this compost, it was a day for success for us. We have successfully implemented this project in other talukas of our district, and now one whole taluka, which is called Uchal, is being fully covered with this project. Also at national level, the government has recognized this as one of the model concept in solid liquid resource management, and after that so many states have replicated this model in their states like Sikkim, West Bengal, Orissa, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and so on.